Hey YouTube, it's Dina with Let's Try and See, and today I'm going to show you how I got this makeup look with this eyeshadow and these lips. So if you like what you see, stay tuned, but don't forget, go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on any more videos. Alright, the first thing I'm going to use is my Black Radiance pressed powder in the color Cafe, and I'm going to get a fluffy brush and I'm going to create a base color for my eyeshadow or a transition color, and I'm going to do that on both eyes, and then after that I will move on to the next color. So now I'm getting a rounded brush and I'm going to get the palette Island Blues by Black Radiance, and I'm going to take that first brown bone color, the kind of ashy kind of color, and I'm going to create a mid-range transition on my upper lid, and I'm going to blend that in as good as I can. And then my next color, or my next palette, would be the Shimmer the Night Away by Black Radiance, and I'm going to get that purple iridescent color. It's the second from the top. I'm sorry you can't see it. And I'm going to put that on both upper mobile lids, and I'm going to rub it in until it suits my fancy. I'm not putting it in too deep, like I'm not wetting the brush or anything. I am just sweeping the color over my mobile lid. Yes, I'm getting it in there. I'm putting enough to see it, but nothing, too bold. And then with this brush, I am going to spray it with some Master Fix, and I'm going to take that purple brown bone color in the same palette, the Shimmer the Night Away palette, and I'm going to go over my upper lid. Now, mind you, this color is not going to stay this bright, and I'll show you why in a few minutes. And then my next step with the same Shimmer the Night Away palette, there you can see it. And I'm going to spray the Master Fix on that crease color, that grayish black color. And I'm going to line my lids with that, with an angled brush. And if you notice that I'm using a beauty blender to touch my skin, that way I don't get makeup all over the place. So that's my way of trying to not mess up my foundation. So then I go ahead and blend that out. So I take this rounded brush and then I blend the line. It's not going to make it go all the way away. It's just going to kind of fade it, which is the look that I'm going for. There we go. And then my next step, I am brushing away any fallout that might have fell on my highlight area. Trying to blend that out really quick. And then I will be using these lashes. These are Salon Perfect Lashes number 615. And as you can see, I got my first one on already. And then I'm going to put that second one on. So I'm adding the glue to the strip. And then I'm going ahead and I'm going to place it on my lash line using the tweezers. And I have a love-hate relationship with my application. It's always kind of random, but I'm learning. This is a learning channel. So as you can see, I'm placing it on my lash, and then once it's on there good to my satisfactory, and then I will pinch. So as you can see, I am pinching and making sure all my lashes are lined up. There we go. Yeah, I think I'm cute now. And then my next step would be using the Maybelline matte ink, and it is in the color Huntress. It's like a dark purpley blue, which is what I was going for. I kind of wanted something to semi-match my dress, but not really. So yeah, I wanted to create this look really, really quick. It's a muted color. It's something that's not super bright, but you can definitely see it. It's like glam, but not kind of grungy, but not, So yeah, that is the look. And as you can see, I am also lining my lips. Then I'm gonna take my hair down so that you can see the final look. I decided I'm not gonna wear a headscarf as much when I'm doing my makeup. So yeah, no headscarf. And that's how I got this makeup look. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoyed it. And let me know in the comments what else you would like to see.